everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am decorating a mini spread using the lovely summer sticker book from Planything. I'm sure this book is, if it's still available, it's still available, and it's actually on sale right now, so definitely check it out. There's a bunch of sticker books on sale on Planything's website, so if you've been wanting to purchase from Planything, this is a good time to purchase. So we have these really cute summer stickers, and I've just been doing some fun summer spreads just because, you know, it's cute. And what I'm going to do is, I haven't used this theme yet. I think this theme would be cute, be good. So I'm just going to use this one, pull those out. I don't think I'm going to pull any of these, although these would be cute. I don't know, maybe I'll come to this in a bit. All right, so I have these like ocean little beach scenes right here. So actually I'm gonna take this one because it's like a corner piece. So I think this would be good over here in the corner. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to bring, oh, I ripped it. That's what happened. I was like, why is it like that? My bad. Okay, so let me paste this back together. So I have this piece here. Just piece that back. Okay, and then I need scissors. Scissors, where are my scissors? Okay, I got scissors here. Okay, and then I'm just going to, maybe I'll just add, oh, let me add a tree. Want to add a tree? No. Maybe a surfboard. Just to kind of cover up that like edge like that. So I'll put that there. And then I do want to add a girl. So I think that would be cute. I like that the girl has like the arms out. So let's do this one. I might have to put it in the water a little bit more. It's kind of hard to see, but that's okay. It works. We're gonna go with it. All right, so there's that, and then I can do, let me do some boxes. So I'll white out a couple of things here. I go to the boxes. I want to add a circle sticker here. And then let's see what else I can add. Maybe I could do some trees. I kind of like these trees. And I don't know, I feel like I need more water. Kind of just bring the water over here a little bit. And I like when these water stickers are layered on top of each other a little bit, because then it gives like a different color. So we'll just layer some of this. Give it a little bit more like depth, I guess. That's what I'm going for. Put a little bit here. Put a little bit here. Okay, I like that. I think that works. And then I could put some more trees. Maybe just one more tree. Kind of want to see if there's maybe something from this page. I could do like an umbrella from this page. Okay, so that's a nice little scene. I like that. I'm gonna go back to the boxes. Let's see. Where are the boxes I was using? These. Okay, I'm gonna do a little yellow box up here. Actually, I think I'm gonna do red. I feel like I need red up here. Let's do red here. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna move on to this side. This is more like the beach scene, and then this will just be more like the little town, I guess. I guess that's what I'm going with. Okay, or I can do the little island. I kind of want to do the island. We'll do the island over here. And then I'll do this box here. And I'll put some houses down. Some little summer houses here and there. I'll do a little tree. So it's definitely gonna start feeling like summer here. I know in other places it's been feeling like they've been feeling the heat. We've been pretty good over here. Usually it's very like overcast and pretty cool. At night it's very cool and not hot, which I love. But it's gonna start heating up and I'm not a fan of that because it gets very humid here and I don't like humidity. It's not the best and I'm not looking forward to another hot summer here because it's terrible. I don't have central air. I have air conditioning, I just don't have central air, so that's a bummer, but just gotta get through it. It'll be over in a few months. Thankfully at work we have very nice air conditioning, so I don't have to worry about that over there. But yeah, not looking forward to summer. Also, like, I go to Disney a lot and going to Disney during summer is the worst. So I don't know, we might not go to Disney as much. Or like we'll go to Disney like just at night or something. We shall see. Okay, I kind of covered up too much on this side though, to be honest. I don't need that much stuff there. Maybe I'll just put the tree here. Okay, sounds good. I kind of want another little house here, so maybe I'll do, actually no, I want the little ice cream truck. The ice cream truck is super cute. So we'll put ice cream truck here. There's still space to write, so that's good. And then I'm gonna do a couple of bullet points. I'm thinking, let me do pink, a couple of pink ones up here. I also need like a circle sticker. Let's see, I did yellow, I do pink. It's quite big actually. Maybe I'll do it here. Actually, I kind of like that there. So do one there. Cut that off. And I'll do a couple more bullet points. I think yellow. I love the bullet points in this book because they're like the perfect size. They fit perfectly in between these lines. So that's very nice. And I might do a couple here. So I'll do what color? Do blue, like the light blue. Okay, that's cute. I can't remember if there's quotes in this book. Oh, there are quotes. Okay, so maybe I could do a quote if I can fit one. Meet me where the sky touched the sea, just another day in paradise. Every summer has a story. want something here. How about this live in the moment? Let's see if this fits. Oh, you know what? I forgot to cover this up. Okay. Live in the moment. I feel like she's living in the moment, so kind of works. Okay, so got a nice little quote. And then over here, I'm trying to decide if I want to do bullet points down there. I think I might. I've been doing that. I've been covering that up with bullet points. Maybe I'll do like a few different colors. So I could do yellow. It's very like tedious little thing to do, but I'm gonna do it. And then I'll do this blue and then pink. Kind of alternate. Yeah, I'll just alternate with these colors. Oops. I feel like it's too pastel-y. I feel like I need to throw in a red. Just to incorporate the red. Red. It's very colorful. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. And yeah, let me just finish this up. Alright, so it took a little bit of time, but I think that's time worth, like, well spent, because it looks cute like that. So I have this side, live in the moment. I love that. Love the girl in there. And then I have the other side. It's kind of like more the town scene, the summer town scene, and then the beach scene, which I love doing scenes, and I love how this spread turned out. So again, this is Lovely Summer Sticker Book. It is currently available if you're interested in purchasing. Planything's site is linked down in my description. I also have a 10% off code. I don't think that code works on sale items though. I'm pretty sure. But right now there are sales happening, so definitely check it out. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.